Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Today I will show you how the Ecobee smart thermostat works with air conditioner and inner floor heat system at the same time smoothly. Okay, let me show you first. It will control the LG to cooling. Okay, now the Ecobee cooling and the LG is cooling now. Okay, let's off. The LG is off. Okay. Now we begin run the heat model. If we need to use the inner floor heat or underfloor heat, we need to set the system fan speed to the low fan speed. So it will use the underfloor heat to act as a heat source. If we need to use air conditioner heat, we just need to set the system fan speed to medium or high. Okay, let's see. Now our system fan speed is setting to low, so we can see the Ecobee is heating, and I use a multimeter to make a signal when the underfloor heat is working. And then after one cycle heat, if the set room temperature reach the set point, we can see now the Ecobee is stop heat, and there's a fan run. If we do not use the drop air adapter, now it will open the air conditioner fan, so it will be boring and strange. But I adapt our firmware and make the new features. Even now, the Ecobee is auto open the fan. The air conditioner do not run anything. It's good. Now after a few minutes, it disappears. But you cannot setting from the Ecobee to disable this function. Now we try to set the system fan speed to medium and make the heat again. We'll see what has happened. Okay, the Ecobee is heating now, and now at this time the underfloor heat is not working and the air conditioner heat is working. Okay. It will turn off. You turn into the fan speed firstly, and after a few minutes it will turn off. It is normal because we can see here the fan speed is run for a few seconds. Okay, the fan speed is stopped running and the LG is turned off now. Next, I will show you how let the underfloor heat and the air conditioner heat run at the same time temporarily. Sometimes we need this function when the weather is very cold or we open the window for the fresh air coming. We need open the air conditioning temporarily. Okay, we just let the Ecobee system fan speed run in low speed, and when the heat is on, the inner floor heat is on. Now we just need to let the fan run for a few minutes in the medium or the high. You can set the time. Okay, then we will see the LG heater running at the same time. After timer is out, the air conditioner will turn off and the underfloor heat will work only. That's all. Thank you. If you have any question, please leave comment for us. Thank you.